I'm going to do a couple more of the two-step inequalities problems to help with corrections and just to help better your understanding if you're still struggling. I've got posted already on two steps, number 1, 2, 4, and 7. Andre and Trinity did 4 and 7. They're in separate videos than mine. I'm going to work on 3, and I'm going to also look at 5. Actually, 3, 5, and 6. Might as well. In problems like this, when you have a numerator that has a quantity in it and a denominator that's a value, you want to undo your division in what's in the denominator by multiplying both sides by 3. That'll cancel out. My daughter and her friend are actually watching Frozen right now. And then after you've done that, you want to subtract 4. Sadie, can you turn that down just a little bit? And you wind up with x is less than or equal to 8. It's less than or equal to, so I want to put a closed circle on the 8. And then shade everything going to the left. A little bit more, Sadie. Now, as far as number 5 is concerned, we don't have that fraction division to worry about. So the first thing that we're going to do is add 4 to both sides. Yeah, now my kid's being incredibly goofy while I'm making this video. And get 7x is greater than 21. So I'm going to come over here. 7x is greater than 21. Just bringing it up so I can show my solving. Divide both sides by 7. X is greater than 3. Since this is strictly greater than, I'm going to leave an open circle on 3 and shade everything to the right. X can take on values that are bigger than 3. Pause this at any time. I'm working pretty quick, trying to get through it so these girlies can watch their movie. Number 6, I have division in this part, but I can't get at that. You really want to undo what's going on around x from the furthest away from it first. And I say the furthest away because the last thing that's going on is x is divided by 2. It maybe looks like it's the first thing. X is divided by 2. But we have to undo this minus 8 before we can deal with the 2. And so I'm going to be left with x over 2, this is going to leave me with 0, is less than or equal to 4. I'm going to move that over here. X divided by 2 is less than or equal to 4. And now I'm going to go through that process of undoing division by multiplication. And notice there's differences between problem 3 and where the division showed up underneath the quantity and where it showed up in 6, just underneath the x. So I handled these problems differently. X is less than or equal to 8. Closed circle on 8. Now I keep doing these with pen. I'm going to go back. Closed circle on 8. And everything to the left is shaded. X is less than. I hope that helps so you can complete your corrections and understand what you're doing wrong.